Good morning, children. So here I'll be solving few questions from your textbook. Okay. So this is question from page number VII, example number 1. Okay. So it says at 4 o'clock the obtuse, we need to find the obtuse angle between the minute and hour hands of a clock at 4 o'clock. Okay. So we need to find the angle formed by minute hand and hour hand at 4 o'clock. So here we need to remember a few things. Okay. So this is our clock. This is 12, this is 6, this is 3 and this is 9. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. So we need to find the angle between the minute and hour hand at what? 4 o'clock. So when it's 4 o'clock, then your hour hand will be here and the minute hand will be here, right? It is along with this. Okay. So this is our hour hand and this is the position of the hour hand and minute hand at 4 o'clock. Okay. So we need to find the angle between the hour hand and minute hand at 4 o'clock. So we need to find out this angle. Okay. So they are asking two things. One is, the first part says find the obtuse angle formed. So this is the obtuse angle formed. And the second part says we need to find the reflex angle formed. So this bigger angle is a reflex angle. Okay. So first let us find out what is the obtuse angle formed by hour hand and minute hand at 4 o'clock. Okay. So I want all of you to look at one thing very carefully. Okay. So this complete circle equals to how many degrees? 360 degree, right? So whenever a hand of a clock moves from, say, I'll take 12 as its first position and 1 as the second position. Okay. So whenever this hand of a clock rotates from this position, from position at 12 to 1, okay, whenever it makes a rotation from 12 to 1, okay, like this, that is whenever it moves to next consecutive integer, okay, then certain angle is formed. Okay. So we need to find how much is this angle. Okay. So complete rotation forms how many degrees? 360 degrees. And finding angle between two consecutive integers in a clock. Okay. So when the hand of the clock moves from 12 to 1, certain angle is made, right? So how much is this angle we need to find out. Okay. So the complete rotation forms how many degrees? 360 degree. And how many consecutive integers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 360 degree by 12, that is equals to 30 degree. So 30 degree is the angle formed by the hand of a clock when it moves from one integer to another consecutive integer. Is that clear? So when this hand again moves to 2, then it forms another 30 degree. Okay. So if I say what is the angle between the hands of the clock here, between 12 and 2, then it will be equals to 60 degree. Yes? So this is the catch. Okay. So angle between two consecutive integers in a clock equals to 360 degree by 12, that is equals to 30 degree. Okay. So knowing this fact, we can easily find out what is the angle between hour and minute hand at 4 o'clock. Okay. How? So required angle. The required angle is the angle between the hour and minute hand at 4 o'clock, right? So between hour and minute hand, how many integers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why we multiply by 4 into increaser makes how many degrees? 30 degrees. Just now we figure out. Yes? So that is equal to 30 degrees. So this is 4 3s are 12. So this is 120 degrees. So the angle between the hour and minute hand here is 120 degrees. Okay? Now, second part of the question asks us to find the reflex angle. Okay? So that is this outer angle. So remember, whenever we find reflex angle, then what do is reflex angle equals to, so we know this angle is 120 degree and we need to figure out this angle, but we know that this complete angle is 360 degrees. Okay, so whenever we do 360 degree minus 120 degree, that is this complete angle minus this angle, we can find this angle. Yes, so that is equals to 0, 4, this is 240 degree. Is that clear? So this is the required angle. Okay. So let me take one more example. So I want to find out what is the angle between the hour and minute hand at 3 o'clock. Okay. So I'm talking about 3 o'clock. Okay. So this is the clock. 12, 6, 9, 3. Center. So we want to find the angle made at 3 o'clock between hour and minute hand, right? So I want this angle. Okay. So required angle equals to, so how many integers between 12 and 3? 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 into, so the angle between each consecutive integer, that is between 12 and 1, this angle is equals to how much? 360 degree by 12. Why? Because this complete circle makes 360 degree and there are 12 integers. So one consecutive integer makes this much of angle. Okay. So this is equals to 360 degree by 12. So that is 3 into 30 degree, that is equals to 90 degree. So this is the angle between hour and minute hand at 3 o'clock. Okay. So if you want to find the reflex angle, so that is this outer angle, if you want to find this outer angle, then that will be equal to this complete angle is equals to 360 degree minus this angle, that is 90 degree. So this will be equals to 270 degree. Okay, so this is pretty simple, but by solving this type of problems, our thinking skill develops a lot. Okay, our reasoning skill, we can think from various angles to solve this problem. Okay, so that is why geometry is a very interesting part of mathematics. I hope you understood this. So with this, I would like you all to solve few questions from your exercise. Okay, thank you.